In fact, the tribal belt certainly plays a very important role over here. Women voters play a very important role over here, and that is why Hemant Soren, we have been seeing, have been repeating about the Maiya Samman Yojana. Apart from that, BJP has also introduced Gogo Didi Yojana, and in fact, a huge crowd over here. Supporters were also present, and in fact, now they will be casting their vote here at this particular polling booth, and then will be going towards the other constituencies for the campaigning for the second phase, which is all set to be held on 20th of November. But yes, if we talk about this particular, constituency, that is Ranchi. So Ranchi's fight is very interesting because it is said to be a stronghold of the BJP. CP Singh has been contesting and winning the elections for more than 4 times, and now it is Mahua Maji who is contesting against him, who was a former member of Rajya Sabha from JMM, and now she is contesting for the Jharkhand Assembly elections. So yes, we'll have to see that who the women voters choose, especially the tribal voters. Whom do they choose? Because tribal belt, as I mentioned, are the decision makers, are the decisive vote bank for the parties for the Jharkhand Assembly elections, and that is why on and on we have been seeing that not just once, but the issue of infiltrators was raised several times by the BJP, and post that we have seen that how Prime Minister HM all attacked the JMM Hemant Soren for in fact letting allow the infiltrators to build their houses and grab the land here in the state of Jharkhand. On the other hand, meanwhile, when Jharkhand's Chief Minister Hemant Soren was arrested in the alleged money laundering case, post that Champai Soren became CM, then he went to BJP. So all these political slugfests, we'll also have to see that how does it impact the mind of the voter.